We'll guide you through how to use stroke taper in a light motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the app is ready, press the Create New Project button to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by choosing the settings that you want to use. After you have finished adjusting the project settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. When a new project has been created, press the plus button located below the timeline to open the Add menu. From the available options, select Freehand Drawing to create a stroke on your screen. Draw the stroke according to your preference, then select the stroke layer after it has been added to the timeline. Open the Effect browser for the selected stroke layer to access the available effects. Inside the Effect browser, go to the Drawing and Edge category to view the effects available in that section. Scroll through the list until you find the stroke taper effect. Select stroke taper to add the effect to your stroke layer. After the effect has been applied, open the stroke taper settings to view the available controls. Go to the Start option to adjust the starting point of the taper effect on your stroke. Next, use the end value to control where the taper effect ends along the stroke. After setting the start and end values, locate the Squeeze option. Adjust the squeeze setting to make the taper appear smoother along the stroke. Continue adjusting the available stroke taper settings according to your needs until you achieve the result that you want. Take your time making small adjustments while checking how each setting affects the appearance of the stroke. When you are satisfied with the settings, press the play button to preview the result. Watch the animation to confirm that the stroke taper effect has been applied correctly. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully used the stroke taper effect in a light motion.